Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tekken 8 on Steam. First, ensure your personal computer meets the game's minimum system requirements for smooth performance. Then, simply purchase and download Tekken 8 directly from the Steam store. Once downloaded, install the game and launch it from your Steam library to begin your fighting journey. It's a straightforward process to get started with this exciting title. Next, connect your favorite controller, whether it's a PlayStation or Xbox gamepad, to your computer. Tekken 8 offers robust controller support, allowing you to customize button mappings precisely to your liking within the game's settings. Take some time to learn the fundamental movement and attack inputs for your chosen character. This foundation is crucial for effective gameplay. Tekken 8 provides several engaging game modes. Dive into the immersive story mode to follow the compelling narrative and unlock various in-game content. For skill development, spend ample time in practice mode. It is invaluable for refining your combos and mastering character-specific techniques. When ready, challenge friends or other players in the thrilling online versus mode. To elevate your gameplay, master the unique heat system mechanics for your character, enabling powerful attacks and strategic advantages. Observing professional gameplay is an excellent way to learn advanced strategies and understand character matchups. Finally, engage with the vibrant Tekken community online. It is a fantastic resource for tips, participating in tournaments, and lively discussions about the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.